So I'm thinning out some of the branches so more light comes in, and like little ones that aren't going to produce this year, just kind of like taking them out and turning them into mulch, and kind of focusing the energy out to the fruiting branches. And any branches that are rubbing or have rotten spots on them, just trimming those off, because they're going to break anyways or have, you know, smaller unproductive fruit. And then, like, you know, like this branch here, it's kind of like rubbing there, but not too bad. I could, I wanted to have fruit on the end, so I'm just going to take out that one, and that one, and little cuts like that. That's what I'm doing. Got the top cut.
So Chris, I see where it got cut last time when my son cut it, and it's got some rot.
Yeah.
Is there anything we should have done to avoid that?
It looks like it, you know, it peeled. Like he didn't make a undercut or cut out a wedge. So when he cut it, it like peeled some of the wood.
Oh, I see.
I could cut it down lower. You know, the thing will compartmentalize on its own.
It'll seal itself.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I mean, if, you know, that branch eventually I topped it, so it's not too heavy. And it could still make some fruit this year for maybe a couple years, so that's why I left it, and it's easy to reach. But if I took that out, I might as well cut it down to here.
Right.
You know, and that would be a lot, you know, because there's this one too.
Yeah, and one on the other side as well.
Yeah, so figured, I don't know, it looks pretty good. I'm sure it'll have a lot of fruit.
Yeah.
That'll help it out a lot.
All right, thank you.
Climb down now.